my gosh. So basically today, I'm gonna be... This man, I would trade him right now. But today, this is a video where I give away stuff. Because, I've done a lot of trading, and I don't really... Before I give away anything, hold on, let me try to get this paw, bro. Because why not? I really need paw for a video. I had it before, but I traded it away. For wings, I'm so stupid. Hi. Yo. This for Paul, question mark. Boom, 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 boom. I don't even know this is a good offer. This question mark. I might eat Paul if I did this. Cause I have an SP reset. And, so basically, what we're gonna do, okay, hold on, let me finish trading and I'll be right back. I did a little bit of, I did some trades. So yeah, we're just gonna be hopping in servers and giving away stuff. I really do think this is gonna go well. Stuff I'm not gonna give away is definitely Shisui. I need that for a PvP video. Because I have never had this weapon. And yep, this firework is going off for 200 views. Yay! And for that, I'm probably gonna give away, like, I don't know, Kraken Corp. To enter the giveaway, all you gotta do is just subscribe. Just subscribe and just comment your username. And then join my game. Tell me your username, and then join my game. I will add you and join my game. And yeah, you will be the winner. I will most likely be in Trading Hub, so you can imagine. Because I only play this game basically. I'm trying to get Mara right now, or the free I want. So yeah, let's server hop real quick, and yeah, we'll be back. Okay, so basically, the thing we're gonna do here is, if you answer a question right, I will give you. If you answer a question right, I will give you something for free. So yeah, we're just gonna put that. Giving some free. If you answer the question, hold up. The question right. If you take too long, I will assume you are look it up. Okay, let's go. So let's just hope. Hope people just trade me, huh? Well, I would love to go up there and show it, because then everybody can see. I can just go up here, slide up here. So yeah. If y'all want me to do this again, go ahead. Just like and subscribe. I need you to subscribe right now. I'm not joking. I was hesitant to upload. Nobody subscribed in the last 4 days. I didn't upload. I'm like, what? Like, I don't know how people aren't instantly trading me, but I'll be back when somebody actually wants to trade me, so yeah. Ooh. Question is, who is 7. This is about to be. I'm giving One Piece questions, Buggy. Boa. Boa. Moria. Okay. Taking quite a long time, Chief. Flamingo. This is Jinbei. This is Jinbei. Tags. I'm giving back to the community in a weird way because I know people are gonna cheat so badly. And just because he cheated. Anticipation. I will give you this. Let's see. I'll give him a Gomu. Alright. So, hey. That's the first one. Hopefully we have more. Because I just love giving stuff away. I'm probably going to give away like a Yomi if you get the question right. I'll be right back when somebody answers the question right. Bye guys. I'll be right back. Alright, we got the next question. Question is... I'm gonna do the Emperors. All four. This is about to be an easy question. If he gets this wrong, I'm actually about to... Shanks. Kaido. This is an easy question. There's no way you get this wrong. Wait. God, for God's sake. No! Try again. It's Buggy and Luffy. It's Shanks. Oh, fudge. Current. Shanks. I'm pretty sure that was Luffy. Please! Please get the next one right! Get the right! This thing. Oh, get this one right! Get this one right! No! I want to give away this Yomi. I genuinely want to give away. I meant present, my bad. I meant present! I meant present, my bad. Present. Just say the present emperors. I'm waiting. 3. No. For participate. But for participation, I'll give you this. Yo, people actually aren't cheating. People actually are not cheating. People actually are not cheating. People are actually not cheating. I thought people would be cheating hard. Like, extremely hard. But nobody's cheating. Everybody's being honest. I actually thought I would have to make a rule, but like, hey. This is going really good so far. We've given away a Horo, a Golmu. What else do I have to give away real quick? Let me look. So the main prize I'm looking for, if you get it right, you get a Yomi. Cause that's basically what I'm trying to give away. I would give a dark root, but I really need dark root. No, I don't have any more rares. I might have to resort to using Karu, bro, but Karu has a high value. Or an SP, but SP also has high value. Come on, bro. Why aren't people trading me? Does nobody want to have to try to answer a question? I'm basically giving out free stuff. Nobody's cheating. I'm glad, actually. I'm really glad. I'm actually super glad. So, I'll be right back when somebody trades me. One more thing. I will give away Kraken Core. I'll give away Kraken Core or Shusui. Just the giveaway, how to enter it, and one more time. You have to subscribe, and then you have to comment your username and add me. Because, I don't know how that algorithm works and how to be like, oh, this person subscribed to your channel. I don't know who subscribed to my channel and who didn't subscribe to my channel. So, I have my name in some of my videos. I just put my name in the comments so y'all don't have to look through it. So, yeah, I'll be right back when somebody tries to trade me. Question is, let me think of one. What were, how did beat Moria? Question is, how did Luffy beat Moria? Please answer this one correct. We have to get one question correct. Somebody has to get one question correct. One. Too many songs. He had too many songs and just whooped him. Okay. Correct. Finally. Your prize. Oh. Oh, bye. Yes, sir. Oh my gosh! Hi. You here for the question? Hold on. I'm gonna have to do a little bit of these off camera. Oh my gosh! Yo, this is crazy. Hold on. I'm gonna do a little bit of these off camera and do the last one on camera. Alright, somebody got it right again. Yes, sir. I just love giving away free stuff. So, I'll be back when somebody else answers it correctly. Woo! Yeah, baby! Woo! Yeah, baby! People are getting these questions right. This man got it right immediately. Like, a second after I said it. So, y'all, I'm a dip. This is gonna be a part 2 to this, definitely. So, peace out, y'all.